Haka jingelang jongki kenhun menteri ka belalong menta ka sengi ka arpuway tarik unok pra. Kala shimya karai ban pan Pisa Naka Sorkar Pdeng hajar sans pa Klur tengka. Naka Bynta ban Pyntreikam mi ke smart meter ka ba 6% hapok ka jilla Meghalaya. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang menteri rangba ka jillau Konrad Konggal sangma. Uloong baka Sorkar Pdeng kalamang Pisa hadu kumbar lai Klur san khandai lak tengka. Habaro ki jilla hakari India bat ka jilla Meghalaya. Kala penkre ka Bynta ban Pyntreikam Iaka ka skim haka jinglot ka banlong hajar sans pa Klur tengka. Iaka ka skim on Pyntreikam lingba ka tenat Rural Electrification Corporation jong ka Sorkar Pdeng ka jingbei Pisa yakane kan long khandai 4% na ka Sorkar Pdeng bat 4% na ka Sorkar jilla kane ka long kum Bynta man penbhai ka tenat MEECL halor kane ka Sorkar kan hap ban hikai ban penshai yagi pajba.
The cabinet was the proposal for the action plan on the revamped distribution sector scheme, RDSS. This is a scheme that has been implemented by Government of India, Power Ministry, where revamping of the distribution systems and the distribution sector overall is going to be taken up for a period of 5 years. And the Government of India has sanctioned 3,05,984 crores for this particular project. And this will be obviously affecting all the states. In the first phase, we as a state are also proposing to take this up, and hence the cabinet today cleared the proposals, and now this proposal will be put up to Government of India, Power Department. Through this, we will be getting funding from Government of India to the tune of 1,350 rupees per meter as subsidy, and this will also be supported as a 90-10 grant from Government of India. That means 90% of the infrastructure will be paid by Government of India and 10% by us for the infrastructural part. For the metering, as I was mentioning, 1,350 will be given by Government of India, and whatever is over and above that will be given to the private sector that will partner with Government of Meghalaya to implement those smart metering projects that are left in the state. So this is a project that will be approximately 2,500 crores of money will be invested. This will be one of the biggest projects that will be taken up. And this, as I said, is a scheme that has been envisaged by the Government of India. And 3 lakh crores is going to be given out to different states. And out of that, Meghalaya has put in a proposal of 2,500 plus crores for this scheme. So this also today was approved in the cabinet, and this proposal will be sent to Government of India in the next few days. This scheme is a scheme that has been brought for next 5 years by the Government of India, and it will be implemented through the REC. As I said, 3 lakh crores is what the Government of India has sanctioned for the whole country, and out of that 2,500 crores is what we have proposed, or at least we are making the DPR. And as I said, this is a component where we will be having a model where we will be having metering happening, which will make about close to 1/8 of the project. That means about 12, 13%, 14% of the project is metering, and rest of the 85% of the project is actually improvement in the distribution lines. So these projects, of course, by the time we implement it, it may take us about 8 to 9 months to actually process the project. So implementation may start towards the end of next year. If we are able to complete it before 2023, the implementation, then we will get further incentives, especially in the metering. As I was mentioning, the metering component, about 1,350 rupees, is going to be given by the Government of India. If we are able to implement it better and on time, then another 600 rupees will be given additionally per unit of the meters that are there. And as I said, these will be done in a kind of a CapEx OpEx model, which is a new term called TOPEX model. That means total total model. It includes a capex and opex both together, and government of Meghalaya will not have to spend a single rupee on the metering. So the funding will come from REC, Government of India, and the rest will come from whichever partners and with us. And as I said, the infrastructure part 90-10, which is 90% from grant from Government of India and 10%. So this is a great opportunity for us to actually revamp. It's a great project, and we thank the Government of India for coming out with this project, and we should take advantage of this at the earliest. So we are moving very fast, and we should be submitting our proposals, as I said, within the next few days. It's a step towards improving things. One cannot say we can heal everything. It's a very complicated problem we're having, but it is definitely a step towards ensuring that the transmission, the AT&C losses are reduced, other kind of losses that are there, thefts that are there. All these aspects which are there, it will definitely help in improving it, and definitely will lead to better efficiency of the system. But obviously one cannot say that it will completely heal, but it is a step towards it.